Okay, good afternoon, everybody. We have decided to do our inquiry project on digital tools that you can use to increase parent communication in your classroom. To communicate what we found, we created a flyer through a website called S'more that can be accessed by teachers and act as a kind of learning tool for them. Our tool, like I said, was created on s'more.com and can be found at this link up here, which is https://www.s'more.com/vctec, and that link will also be embedded on our blogs for you to find if you'd like it. So when you click the link, it'll take you to this page. At the top, you can see we have done our inquiry on two applications. The first one is using Twitter, and the second one is a digital app called StoryPark. As you scroll down, here's just a little synopsis of what we found and our justifications for doing our inquiry on this. And a little bit farther down is some instructional methods on how to use Twitter. So the first part is what is Twitter, in case anybody doesn't know or hasn't ever opened it up. A little bit farther down is the benefits for parent communication, why we think it's something good to use in your classroom, and the kind of professional learning benefits of it. And then the last kind of section here is the how-to, so how you log in, our recommendations for creating privacy settings and whatnot. And lastly, we have some examples of Twitter being used in a kindergarten classroom and the kind of benefits of that. And you can also find our Twitter links here because both of us used Twitter during our practicums to communicate what we did throughout.
And second part is getting to know StoryPark. So at the first part, we wrote what is StoryPark. It will introduce what it is used for, and it is targeted towards teachers to share with parents and involve them in their students' learning or children's learning process. And the second part is benefits for parent communication. We wrote why it was great and what parents have said about it as well. And then below we put some pictures of examples of how it looks like once you upload it to your mobile device or computer. And finally, the how-to is a section of how to log in and register with StoryPark. We also included some tips and just tips about how to use it and the pricing ranges.
And then lastly, we included some supportive research on why we believe it's important to use digital tools in your classroom for parent communication. So the first section here is some Ontario curriculum links. In the 2016 kindergarten curriculum documents, there's quite a few sections on the importance of communicating with parents and including them in the kindergarten classroom because of the new play-based learning and inquiry style of the learning process.
And we've added external research where we chose an article that promotes using technology in the classroom called Enhancing Parent-Teacher Communication Using Technology in the Classroom.
And again, that's all. If you'd like to take a look at it further, it'll be linked on our blogs and can be found at this hyperlink right here.
Thank you.
Thank you.